Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are on Unit 6, System of Equations, Lesson 8, reviewing for the test. And these are word problems, and they're multiple choice problems, and there's a lot going on here. So let's stop the video if you didn't do it, do the problems, and come on back and we'll go over them. All right. I know they're blurry. It's not your computer screen. It's my inability to photocopy things correctly. So let's take a look at this first one. What is the solution to the system of equations below? And yeah, I know you're looking at that, you're going, Bono, what is up with that mess? Well, this one's not too bad. This is an elimination. If you look at it carefully, you'll see you have the same variable, the same number, and opposite signs. So since it's multiple choice, you don't have to rewrite anything, blah, blah, blah. So 2x plus 1x, don't forget to add your own 1, is 3x. 3y and negative 3y is 0. And 6 plus 9 is 15. Divide both sides by 3, and you get x equals 5. And you know what? You can literally stop right here, because the only problem that has x equals 5 is C. Now I'm going to finish it because there are problems on your test very much like this. But yeah, let's do that. X minus 3y equals 9. 5 minus 3y. Really, Bono? Really, you can't write now? What is wrong with me? Allergies, that's what's wrong. So instead of my double y for no apparent reason, minus 3y equals 9. Add 5 to both sides, and you get negative 3y equals 14. Really? What did I copy wrong? Did I copy wrong? Yes. What did I do? Divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. Oh, duh, I know what I did. This is supposed to be minus 5, that's supposed to be 4/3, negative 4/3. And you get y equals negative 4/3. Look at me all trying to think. It doesn't work well for you, Bono. And yes, I still get the same answer, C. All right, the amount of revenue in dollars, Y, that Jason receives from selling X posters is given by the equation y equals 4x. Oh, good, I don't have to write an equation. The cost of producing the posters is given by the equation, whatever that is. How many posters does Jason need to sell so that the cost and revenue are equal? And there's my key. These two need to be equal. But I already know that they are because they're both equal to y, so they have to be equal to each other. So here we go. 4x is equal to 1/2 x plus 280. Now when I subtract, I am just going to change that to 0.5. Why are you doing that, Bono? Because I'm going to use a calculator, it's easier. So 3 and 5/10 x is equal to 280. Divide by 3 and 5/10. And get x equals, hey Siri, what's 280 divided by 3 and 5/10? So you have to say it right or she would get it wrong. And it's telling me craziness, 80. There we go. Is that the answer? Yes, indeed it is. B. Determine the solution to this system of equations. All right, now, look, I have the same variable. I don't have the same number, but I have opposite signs. Same variable, different numbers, opposite signs. So what I really need to do is just multiply this second one here by 2. And I'm going to keep the first one. I am keeping 8x minus 2y equals 1. But 2 times negative 4 is negative 8x. 2 times y is positive 2y. And 2 times 3 is 6. Oh, look at what's going to happen when we do this problem. 8 minus 8 is 0. Negative 2 and positive 2, also 0. and 1 plus 6 is 7. Those are not equal. That means there are no solutions. Yay. Well, we're done with that one. Solve the system of equations below. There's no solutions to this one either. You know how I know? Same number, same variable, same number, same variable. And wait a second, this might be infinite solutions. Let's rewrite this as 2x plus 4y equals 10. And we'll multiply this bottom one times -1 to get negative 2x minus 4y equals negative times negative is positive 10. 0, 0, 0 equals 20. Not equal, no solution. Yay! Not too bad. And we're off the first page. Ta-da! Okay, what's the solution to this system? By the way, this is very close to what your test on Friday is going to have, so you're going to have to do a little thinking. All right. Different numbers, same variable. Ooh, different signs, same number, same variable. Yay. So all I have to do is go 3 plus 2 is 5x. Positive 4, negative 4, this is the 0. Negative 2, negative 8 equals negative 10. Divide by 5, and you get x equals negative 2. Again, I don't have to finish it. I could just do that. But I'm going to finish it anyhow. Ta-ha. So 2x, what am I doing that one for? Too much negativity. 3x plus 4y equals negative 2. 3 times negative 2 plus 4y equals negative 2. Negative 6 plus 4y equals negative 2. Add 6 to both sides. 4y equals negative 6. That's going to be 4. Divide by 4, divide by 4, y is 1. All right, and y is 1, so that worked. That's me just double checking to make sure I got the right answer, because if that wasn't 1, I'd have been wrong, and I don't want to be wrong. All right. The population growth of 2 towns over a period of 5 years is represented by the system of equations below. And they graphed it for me. I don't even have to graph it, but I am going to label my graph just because it's me. So this top one is this one. How do I know? Because this is 1. I mean, this is 6, and it starts at 6. So this is y equals x plus 6. And this bottom one is y equals 2x plus 2. Look at, they meet at 4 years and $10,000. So here we go, 4 and 10. Ta-da. All right, that's number 7. What's the answer to that system of equations? Oh, bother-de-boo, look at that. So, what is the system graphed? Well, I know one thing. I know that these numbers are not ones. Look at it. Here we go. This is going by 2s. This is going by 2s. This is irksome. But I know I'm going to be plus 10 here because my y-intercept is 10, which is nice. And I know I'm adding 0 here, so that's also very nice. So this is going to be, let's see, it's going down 2, 4, and over 2. Down 2, 4, over 2. So my slope for this one is m equals negative 4 over 2. So my m is equal to negative 2. And b equals 10. So I know my system, this equation here, is y equals negative 2x plus 10. Well, that's not horrid. Okay, and this one is down 2, 4 to the right. Down 2, 4 to the right. So my b is here, b equals 0, but my m is negative 2 over 4, which is negative 1/2. So this equation is going to be y equals negative 1/2 x, and I'm not adding anything. So let's look at the answers here. It's right here at B. All right, system of equations shown below. What is true? Well, we could solve it. Negative 6, 8, we could just substitute those back in there. Oh, let's do that. 5 times negative 6 plus 3 times 8 equals negative 6. 5 times negative 6 is negative 30, plus 3 times 8 is 24. That equals negative 6. Negative 6 equals negative 6. It works for the first one, so this is a check. The second one, 2 times negative 6 plus 8 equals negative 4. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12, plus 8 equals negative 4. Negative 4 equals negative 4. Hey, look at that, it works. That is the solution to that system of equations. And you know what? It's the only solution. You know how you know that? Because they're different, and that's different. So it's the only solution. It's not one of many or any nonsense like that. That is it. That is the only solution to that system of equations. I mean, I could multiply it and do the whole thing, but I don't have to. If you want me to, I will. If I multiply this times negative 3, it's still negative 6x minus 3y equals negative is positive 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. Yeah, no, it's only one answer. All right. Which ordered pair is the best estimate? Ooh, haven't used that word in a while, estimate, for the solution. Because look at this. These are counting by 2s. This is right in the middle here, so it's like negative 3-ish and positive 2. We don't know for sure, but that's what I think. Negative 3-ish, positive 2, because it's right between negative 2 and negative 4 on the x line. Right. Which statement explains why the point plot is a solution to the system there? Well, because that's where the lines cross. So, lies on the graph of only one? No. It lies on the, no. It's only one point that satisfies both equations simultaneously. Ooh, lots of big boy words. It's one of many points. Nope. It's just the only point where the two lines cross, where it satisfies. Remember that word? Ooh, yeah, you should know what that word means. And simultaneously just means at the same time. But okay, let's take a break and do some more work tomorrow. I'll talk to you later. Bye.